Hi there. With everything being so cold around the country, I found myself a nice enclave. It's really nice and cool here. It's relaxing. I just love being in nature. It just gives you a feeling, be in touch with the world. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, I wish you could join me. Well, you can vicariously. And I'm just sitting here after a nice workout, a nice little mid-morning breakfast, lunch, good healthy food, a salad, tuna fish, tomato, onion, a couple low-calorie whole wheat breads. Nothing that's not good for me. That's my new pedigree. So after your workout, you can have a nice, relaxed day. That's what I have to say. Read the morning paper. Take a little nap. You have to deal with all this crap called life. You gotta figure out ways to deal with the strife. So let the water fall. And so what if you're dull? This is good winter, spring, summer, and fall. And it's for all. So stand tall.